For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In retaliation against one of his top health experts, Dr. Anthony Fauci, U.S. President Donald Trump once again defended the use of HCQ to ward off COVID-19.
Recommendations of many other people, including doctors. Many doctors think it is extremely successful. The hydroxychloroquine, coupled with the zinc and perhaps the zithromycin. But many doctors think it's extremely good, and some people don't. Some people, I think it's become very political. I happen to believe in it. I would take it. As you know, I took it.
The president's remark came after social media giant Twitter suspended his eldest son's account for posting a clip regarding hydroxychloroquine. There is no evidence that the drug can fight COVID-19, and regulators warn it might cause heart problems. Donald Trump pointed out that the HCQ is safe and he has no problem using the drug.
I think frontline medical people believe that too, many. And so we'll take a look at it. But the one thing we know, it's been out for a long time, that particular formula, and that's essentially what it is, the pill. And it's been for malaria, lupus, and other things. It's safe. It doesn't cause problems. I had no problem. I had absolutely no problem. Felt no different. Didn't feel good, bad, or indifferent. I tested, as you know. It didn't get me, and it's not going to hopefully hurt anybody.
Recently, FDA revoked its emergency use of authorization of the drug to treat COVID-19 following reports of serious heart rhythm problems and other health issues. The president and his son, Donald Trump Jr., were among social media users who shared a video late on July 27th. They had shared a video of America's frontline doctors advocating hydroxychloroquine as a COVID-19 treatment. Facebook and Twitter removed the video, flagging it as misinformation, but not before more than 17 million people had watched it. U.S. President Donald Trump and America's top expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, have been at loggerheads over difference of opinion on the pandemic. Trump had criticized Fauci for providing misinformation to Americans about the COVID-19 pandemic. However, Fauci defended himself, saying that he is not misleading the American public under any circumstance. Donald Trump even boasted about his administration regarding COVID-19 testing.
Why don't I have a high approval rating with respect, and the administration with respect to the virus? We should have a very high, because what we've done in terms of, we're just reading off about the masks and the gowns and the ventilators and numbers that nobody's seen, and the testing at 55 million tests. We tested more than anybody in the world. I have a graph that I'd love to show you. Perhaps you've seen it, where we're up here and the rest of the world is down at a level that's just a tiny fraction of what we've done in terms of testing.
He further stated that nobody likes him and it is his responsibility.
A man works for us, with us very closely, Dr. Fauci and Dr. Birx, also highly thought of. And yet they're highly thought of, but nobody likes me. It can only be my personality, that's all.
Meanwhile, the World Health Organization has said that there is currently no proof that it is effective as a treatment or prevents COVID-19. Currently, USA has reported 4,498,343 COVID-19 cases, with 152,320 deaths and 2,185,894 recoveries.